Today, we'd like to talk about the 2018 Ford Focus. Sleek, sporty, and designed to attract attention to go along with the impressive craftsmanship, smart technology, and tons of options. The 2018 Focus lineup provides a choice of personal driving styles to suit anyone's taste. Come with us as we take a closer look. The Focus features a sleek design with a bold front grille and LED signature lighting. Make the right statement with your choice of 10 wheel designs along with your preference of a sporty sedan or versatile hatchback. The Focus interior is as attractive as it is comfortable. Fine quality is evident in details such as the French seams of the available leather trim seating, alloy trim, and a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Available voice-activated Sync 3 keeps you connected to your smartphone through the 8-inch touchscreen display, while the smart charging USB port knows exactly how much power to supply to your device and can help save that battery power to your vehicle. Open the available moonroof to brighten up the cabin, and the 60/40 split-folding rear seats let you configure up to 43.9 cubic feet of cargo space. The 2018 Focus offers 4 powertrains to choose from. The 2.0-liter engine offers optimal horsepower and efficiency along with an available 6-speed PowerShift automatic transmission. For performance enthusiasts, the ST and limited edition RS engines deliver that abundant horsepower that make quick work of both curves and straightaways. And the Focus Electric needs no gas at all, requires 0 oil changes, and produces 0 CO2 emissions, offering instant torque and smooth acceleration with a driving range of 115 miles and a top speed of an impressive 84 miles an hour. The Focus comes with 7 advanced airbags along with an ultra-high-strength boron steel reinforced safety cage to protect you and your passengers. Driver assistance features like the standard rear-view camera provide that extra awareness over your surroundings. Choosing the Focus you want is no easy task. With 10 stunning models and an array of bold colors to choose from, we can help you customize your purchase to meet your exact needs. So come down and see us and check out the 2018 Ford Focus.